For those of you interested in using virtual reality for learning, there are many tools that you can use to help enhance the learning experience for students. In this video, I will highlight the virtual whiteboard tool in the Engage app. The whiteboard tool can be used in any learning environment. This means you can pull up the whiteboard in a traditional classroom, on the moon, and even on a cruise ship. Compared to an actual classroom where you maybe have access to one or two whiteboards, one perk of using a virtual whiteboard is adding as many whiteboards as you'd like to any learning space. Much like in a real classroom, a virtual whiteboard can help reinforce concepts through illustrations and diagrams. They can be used to share ideas, explain and teach, build classroom community through collaboration, engage students with a hands-on learning experience, and increase alertness through movement. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use a virtual whiteboard in any learning environment. Once you have entered a virtual environment in the Engage app, you will first need to select the B button. Select IFX and select the whiteboard tool. You can place this whiteboard anywhere in the virtual environment and make them as small or large as you'd like. Once you decide where to place your whiteboard, it's time to use it. It's simple as walking over to the whiteboard and grabbing the marker. Before you begin to write anything down, you will be given the option of choosing line thickness and colors. Once this is decided, you can start writing using your controller. Let's say you don't like what you see. This can be erased using the eraser feature or by selecting Clear All. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more virtual reality learning content. Thank you for watching.